Hello friends. In this video, we are going to learn the possessive determiners and possessive pronouns in Telugu. Let us see about possessive determiners and possessive pronouns in Telugu. My, our, your, his, her, its and their are possessive determiners, whereas mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its and theirs are possessive pronouns in English. Add yokka to the subject word, that is first, second or third person to get possessive determiner in Telugu. I means nenu in Telugu. Nenu changes as na before adding yokka. That means my in English is used as na yokka in Telugu. First person plural. Manamu changes as mana before adding yokka. It becomes mana yokka, which means our in English. Memu changes as ma. Then yokka is added to it to become ma yokka. Both singular and plural of second person, నీవు and మీరు, lose their last letter, that is wu and ru. Then yokka is added to them. They become నీ యొక్క and మీ యొక్క, which means your in English. They even can be left alone as such without adding yokka, that is నీ and me, which also refers to your. Third person singulars. He means atadu, itadu, ఆయన, ఈయన, వాడు, వీడు. She means ఆమె, ఈమె, ఆవిడ, ఈవిడ. It means అది, ఇది. Their possessive determiners are as follows. ఆమె becomes ఆమె యొక్క. It means her. ఈమె becomes ఈమె యొక్క. It means her. ఆవిడ becomes ఆవిడ యొక్క. It means her. ఈవిడ becomes ఈవిడ యొక్క. It means her. ఆయన becomes ఆయన యొక్క. It means his. ఈయన becomes ఈయన యొక్క. It means his. అతడు becomes అతడి యొక్క. It means his. ఇతడు becomes ఇతడి యొక్క. It means his. వాడు వాడి యొక్క. వీడు వీడి యొక్క. అది దాని యొక్క. ఇది దీని యొక్క. Words ending with do takes the form of d before adding yokka to them. In the same way, adi becomes dani and idi becomes dini to take the form of possessive determiner. Possessive determiners for third person plural. వారు వారి యొక్క. వీరు వీరి యొక్క. అవి వాటి యొక్క. ఇవి వీటి యొక్క. Words ending with ru takes the form of ri before adding yokka to them. Avi becomes vati and ivi becomes viti to take the form of possessive determiner. You have to add the to na to get possessive pronoun form of mine. In other words, mine in Telugu is na plus di. Nadi. This works for all persons singular and plurals. Substitute the in the place of yokka to get possessive pronouns. Manadi, ours. Madi, ours. Needi, yours. Meedi, yours. Atadidi, his. Vadidi, his. Veedidi, his. Amedi, hers. Avidadi, hers. Danidi, its. Deenidi, its. Varidi, theirs. Veeridi, theirs. Vatidi, theirs. Veetidi, theirs.